I mean, were they supposed to fall off? I don't understand. Like, I don't understand. Everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I am Chanel with Color Me Stylish, and if you love everything fashion, lifestyle, and travel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I would love to have you and see this channel grow. But in this video, it's gonna be a chit chat. So grab some tea. Let's get into it. Like I said, this is a chit chat, and I kind of wanted to kind of give you guys my experience on doing microblading for the first time. So I think in some of my other videos, I think my last holiday, and I'll kind of link that somewhere up here, but my last holiday makeup look, I was kind of just, talking a little bit about that, and maybe you noticed a little bit of it as well. But I got microblading done for the first time, and I've been thinking about this for a while. I wanted to try it. I literally have no eyebrows. They're looking cute now because I filled them in. I shouldn't have had to do that. At least that's what I think. That's what I think. So my experience going into this, I think I started this journey, if you will, probably in November. I found somebody here in Mexico City, and I went with her because I knew a friend who did the whole fee brows. It's just a whole program that does them very natural, very well. And so she did it as well. And I kind of looked at a lot of her pictures of past clients, things like that. And I wanted to try it. So one of the reasons I didn't do it before was I have a darker skin tone, and I was a little bit more afraid of it not turning out the way I wanted it to, or was it going to cause just some weird healing on my eyebrows, or, scarring, just things like that. So just kind of contemplating for like 2 years, I just decided to go ahead and try it and just kind of see how it went. So what I'll do is insert some photos of just like me trying to capture the whole journey of me doing it before, just like, befores and afters and things like that. So check those out, and we'll continue. So as you can see, it's not exactly how I thought it was going to be. And that's the thing, is every time I see somebody on Instagram or YouTube, or just kind of showing highlights of what they can do for their clients, it's always, you see the first day, you see the first like 2 days, it looks cute. Leo, stop. It looks really cute. So it's like, you see the hairs, and, I'll insert some more pictures so you guys can see, but it looked really nice. And of course you have to go for a couple of sessions. And so when I started that, it looked great the first day. And then of course you have that whole process, and I'll insert photos of that as well. But you go from it looking like the hairs to it, after a couple of days looking patchy, to a couple of days looking just hella crazy, and then the color comes up. So I am going to wipe off one side so you can kind of see where I am right now after having these sessions. So I'm just going to come in a little bit closer, but as you can see, this is what I thought I was going to have all the time, and this is what I have all the time. Now, granted, this is after the second session, and it's painful. And yes, I have like one tattoo that I've gotten this year, just, because I've always wanted to have one. And when I make a decision, it takes me forever. That even my one tattoo took me like 7 years to like decide if I was going to do it or not. But I just felt like, this is a little bit, towards the end, a little bit more than what I had. and just a tad bit darker. And I do understand having it a little bit more natural is the goal, and you don't want to look crazy, and not everybody wants it to be super dramatic like this all the time. I do understand that. But I just felt like with the little hairs and things like that, I thought that that was the look that I was going to stay with. And I didn't do as much personal review, reflection of other people who did it. So I kind of wanted to make a video just in case maybe somebody is deciding to do this and they have a little bit closer to my skin tone. So I'll just kind of show you like a super close up so you can kind of see what I'm talking about. Okay, that feels better. So yeah, so where I was, so you guys let me know what your experience has been. If you did microblading, did it turn out the way that you wanted it to? And if it did, how many sessions did you go in for? And that's what I'm trying to decide is, do I make it like a third session, try more time, one more time, or go somewhere else, or just kind of stick to, I know how to do my eyebrows. I may not wake up like this, but at least I'll end the day looking like this. In my review, I'm going to keep this short and sweet. I am never going to bash somebody on how they do their trait, their skill, or anything like that. I think I was just more surprised to kind of see the whole process. And in my mind, I just always thought it was going to be exactly like that first day, just like with the hair strokes and the darker pigment and just everything like that. And for me, maybe it just didn't turn out as well. And I guess I'm just looking for your comments, your opinion, and just things like that on just what I should do, if I should try this again, go somewhere else. But it was a good experience. I'm glad I tried it, and it is a little bit more, pigmented than it was before. So it's not like completely bald looking like it used to. So that is really nice. But sometimes, yes, I think things do take a little bit more sessions. But do I want to go through that pain? No. But I do have a tip. So the first time I went in, yes, I just kind of did it. I wasn't prepared for just how it was going to feel, and just, the blade itself and all of those other things. Hence the name microblading. I know, it didn't sink in. Like it didn't. So I was pretty smart about it, and I'll show you guys just like those other clips and things. Yeah, so this is what I'm doing. I have this, oh gosh, it's like a numbing cream, and I used it when I got my tattoo like a couple months ago, and I saw it on Amazon, and it had like really good reviews, and I'll kind of link that down below as well, and things like that, or if I put them before this. But when I did my tattoo, I wised up, and I'll link all of that in the description box, to kind of get some numbing cream. And so I did that the second time a couple of hours before, and that definitely helped with the comfort the second time doing my session. So I'm contemplating, and I want some advice. What should I do? Or should I just stick to, this is what I know. I know how to do my eyebrows. I think I'm pretty good at it. And it's way cheaper just to go and get some pomade and a, brown pencil and just snatch it. Just snatch it. So I think that's what I'm going to do. And I will actually be doing an updated brow tutorial. So if you guys aren't into that and you would like to save some money and just kind of do it yourself and, up your game, I will show you. But I thank you guys so much for watching this video and always watching, and your support. I love you so much. Happy New Year. I know some people are like, it's like mid-January now. Stop saying that now. But I do wish you guys a happy New Year. It's been crazy, but we're all gonna get through this together, looking cute. So I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and healthy and happy.